The reason many people are not investing is because they don't know where to begin, and some actually fear to start from zero. So I figured out how you can actually begin from zero, because I want to help anyone out there who wants to make money but they are confused. They don't know where to start because they feel like they have no money. So in today's video, I'm gonna be telling you how you can start from zero. How I started from nothing. I had just graduated from university and I actually made money. Without further ado, let's get straight into the video. If you don't have any money, at least you have a phone or a laptop. And so I'm gonna divide this video into two parts. The first part, I'm gonna start with how to start from zero when you have a laptop. In the second part, I'll talk about how to start from zero when you have a phone. And I'll be starting with how you can start from zero when you have a laptop. But if you want to skip this part and go over to the part where I'm talking about how to start when you have a phone, then I'm going to put a timestamp here on the screen so that you can skip to the part where I'm gonna talk about how to start with a phone. So without wasting time, let's get into it. If you have a PC, then I believe you can actually make money in so many ways. There are so many, I cannot exhaust them right now, but I'm gonna talk about a few which have worked for me and also for my friends. The number one thing you can do is to start freelancing. Freelancing is whereby you take jobs online. It doesn't matter which kind of jobs like web design, jobs like marketing, also jobs like online writing. I think that the best there is online writing, because for web design you need to have a skill, and also graphic design you need to have that skill. But online writing is whereby you do online work for people, you do assignments for people, and you get paid for that. I know that this is a job that many youths are actually making so much money with, and so if you're not making money, then you're sleeping on this. For online writing, you can easily start. I have done a full video on how you can start online writing from scratch, and I've given websites that actually pay you to become an online writer. So if you have a PC, I believe this is the best job to do. Don't let your laptop to just lay there. You don't need any money to start online writing, so you can actually start making money with it. You can watch more videos on YouTube on how to start online writing, and also you can get somebody to train you. You only need to be trained within a day and start making money. It's a good job because it pays each and every month, and it can actually be a source of income as long as you take it seriously and you put all your time on it. Obviously, the more hours you work, the more money you get paid for this. Another way you can start making money with your PC is to start blogging. For blogging, you will need to have a name, and we call that a domain and everything, so that you can know what your website is going to be talking about. And then now you need to be someone who is passionate about typing and writing, because every time you definitely have to type a lot, like type a story. And then for blogging, you need to choose a niche. There are so many niches that are available: lifestyle, maybe nutrition, you can talk about news, entertainment, you talk about celebrities, politics, so many things you can actually talk about. Also your life, your experiences and all that. So how people make money with blogging is through Google AdSense. So once your blog is out there, you sign up for AdSense so that they can be putting ads on your blog, and whenever somebody clicks on those ads, you get to be paid money. And with time, once you start blogging, you can actually become a thing, and you can find even newspapers attracting you or getting attracted to you. And also you can find yourself advertising other people on your blog, because if your blog grows, definitely it means you have enough traffic, so brands will start contacting you so that you can advertise for them. And that's how people make money, by blogging. This is also a good side hustle. In case you have a full-time job, this can become a good side hustle. You just need to spare 2 or 3 hours each and every day. Definitely, if you want to make extra money, you have to sacrifice yourself. So those are the ways that you can actually start making money with your PC. Definitely there are so many other ways. I just figured out simple ways to make money, and I've done a video on how to make money with your laptop. You can check that video out. I just wanted to talk about the skills that anybody can do because I don't want to discourage anybody. So in case you want more ideas on how you can make money with your PC, check that video out. I'm just going to link it here up or in the description so that you guys can check it out. In case you have any question, ask me in the comment section down below. So I want to talk about how you can make money using your phone. There are so many ways you can do with your phone, starting with nothing. You don't even need to have any capital to start making money with your phone. I always say that if you have a phone, don't just use it for social media. Don't just use it for entertainment. Use it to make money also. The first way you can actually make money with your phone is to start an Instagram page. Definitely, there is so much money with social influencing. So whenever you go to Instagram, instead of just going to like other people's posts, also you can post yours and build your audience, build your followers. It always begins from now. You start growing your followers right now because this is like an investment for future, you know. Once you get many followers, once you become influential, brands are going to start contacting you and you're going to start making money with that. So every time you take good photos, just post them. You never know who is seeing, who is watching. Whenever you make a good memory, post there. There's so much money on Instagram, and even once you get followers, you don't even have to wait for the brands to contact you. You can contact them yourself and actually start making money with influencing. Another way you can actually make money is through drop shipping. So for drop shipping, you don't need to have any capital. Drop shipping is whereby you take goods from a certain store and then you create your own store such that when somebody views that product, they view from your goods. So like for example, I can take a television from a store like let's say Amazon or Alibaba. Your TV, maybe it is being sold at 20,000. I put it in my store at 30,000. This is a store I've created with another online company. So every time somebody views my TV, they buy from me, I will ship them directly from Alibaba, you see. So that's what we call drop shipping. So it's like I'll start a shop or a store with no capital. Like I'm starting an online shop, but I don't have any items, physical items. I just drop ship them, or once you buy from me, I ship them from Alibaba directly to you, you know. And it's a good way to start a shop when you don't have any money to buy these items or to start, you know. And also because once you start drop shipping, with time you can actually make profit and start your own store. There is so much money with drop shipping. I feel like so many people have not invested in that. And in case you've been wanting to start an online shop and you don't have any money, then you can actually start with drop shipping. Another way to start making money with your phone is to become a YouTuber like I am doing. It's so fulfilling when you have a YouTube channel because it's like a side hustle also. I always make money on the side, yet I go for my job, you know. You sacrifice 2 or 3 hours for YouTube, for shooting, and also another 2 hours for editing your videos, but you don't have to post daily. You can even start by posting once in a week. The good thing is that the YouTube business has become something and it is really growing. So the more people come to YouTube, the better. So the more we have many people posting videos on YouTube, the better, because the more people post, the more it means the more we have viewers. So I feel like YouTube is a good way to make money if you have a phone, as long as your phone has a good camera. And you don't need to be perfect at the beginning. You can shoot videos as long as they are clear, they are visible. But the most important thing on YouTube is audio. So as long as the audio of your phone is working properly, then you can actually start a YouTube channel. You have so many things you can do. Some people show us vlogs, their daily lifestyle, which I love watching. So you can actually be showcasing your lifestyle. You can also be showing us maybe if you know how to do beauty and stuff, makeup, all those things, fashion, how you style your clothing, and everything related to that, especially for the men, because there are not many men have actually come to this space. So if you become among the first people, definitely you will get a lot of attention and you can make so much money with YouTube, as long as you're patient, because this one is not something that you will grow overnight. It's something that will take some time, but as long as you're patient, then YouTube is a good way to make money. Also, I've done a video on how you can start filming and editing videos, what I use to film, how I edit my videos. So I'll put a link of that video also here or in the description so that you guys can check it out in case you want to start a YouTube channel. Another way you can actually make money is to start a 9-to-5 job. I know it's becoming so hard to get a 9-to-5 job, but in this era that you're living in, don't be picky. Just pick any job that you find available. People have started from so low paying jobs, so don't look at the salaries. I know this generation of ours is really looking at salaries, but if you really have to start from somewhere, do not reject any job. As long as it's paying well, just take it as a stepping stone. It's not like you're there permanently, it's just somewhere you are starting from, because you have to start from somewhere. So for me, that's something I have always considered. As long as it's a job, instead of staying idle at home, I always take up that job and do it for the meantime before I can get another job. And mind you, I still have to shoot videos on YouTube. So I always have to balance. And you find some jobs you have to work even on Saturdays. So you have to balance if you really want to build wealth. You have to understand yourself, understand that you are starting from zero. You are not relying on anyone. You don't have a lot of, your family maybe does not have those big investments that you will inherit. So you are the one who is building this for yourself. You have to sacrifice yourself if you want to make it. So whichever job you get, as long as it's paying money, just go for it. The only job that I would not advise anyone to pick is if it's not paying money, or if it goes against your moral ethics or something of that sort. But as long as it's a job and they are paying you at the end of the month, take up that job, start from there. Once you save, maybe you can start your own investments or something of that sort, because you need to start from somewhere. You might find yourself starting this job and buying a phone. Through that phone, you can maybe start a YouTube channel, or maybe become an influencer, or maybe buy a laptop and start online jobs. So you always need to start from somewhere. Usianze kubagua, do not be like picky. In case you have any question whatsoever, just ask me in the comment section down below. I'm definitely going to answer you. Also, you can follow me on IG and ask me there, DM me there in case you have any question. I'm going to be replying to all your DMs, all your comments. I love engaging with you guys, so please make sure you comment and tell me what you think about this video. Also, don't forget to like this video in case it was useful. You guys, sometimes mna watch and you forget to like. Guys, please don't forget to like this video, because it really helps me in the YouTube algorithm. So please like. In case you've not subscribed to my channel, please do so, because you don't want to miss on my future videos. Those are all the ideas I have for you today, but definitely I've done many more videos on how you can make money using your phone and using your laptop, so you can check those videos out. I'll try and put them in the description down below. In case I forget, you guys remind me in the comment section, because obviously I really want to help out. So yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. Hoping to see you in my next video. Until next time, bye guys.